Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny, oh no, huge, enormous kitchen. I'm here in the outside kitchen of the forest. It's a beautiful day, so let's make barbecue sauces. The sauces we're going to make are a ketchup vinegar sauce, a ginger sauce, a sweet and sour sauce, and a tomato sauce. For the ingredients, check the links below. I'm going to start with the most simple sauce. That's the ketchup vinegar sauce. I'm using, high quality vinegar. This is an apple vinegar, I like that. It's about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add it into the pan together with sugar. You can use any kind of sugar. And now we have to bring this to the boil and let the sugar melt. And then we're going to add the ketchup and oil, and that's it. The sugar after 30 seconds has completely melted. I'm gonna turn off the heat and then add my ketchup. This is salty ketchup. I'm gonna add the oil. Look, this is beautiful. So the sauce is done. Easy. It really takes 1 minute. And this sauce is really nice on top of bean sprouts, for instance, or some tomatoes or cucumber. So I'm gonna add this to my cucumber and make sure that the oil is on top and the soy sauce beneath, so help it a bit. There you go. Now we're going to make the ginger sauce. You need fresh ginger, and I've taken off the skins, like about 3 or 4 pieces like this. I'm going to add it to the pan. Then we're going to use a broth, 1 deciliter. So the broth has simmered now for 15 minutes. We're going to add the sugar, soy sauce, and again it's a salty soy sauce, vinegar. Now we're going to bring it to the boil again. Corn flour to bind it all together. So now my ginger sauce has simmered for a while, I think for about 2 minutes now, and it has become a bit thicker. It's really shiny and nice. Beautiful color. So that's done too. Now I'm gonna make the sweet and sour sauce. This is made sour with tamarind, really nice, and of course a few drops of lemon or lime. You can use lime as well. This sauce you don't need to warm up or bake, or we're just gonna add it to the mortar. Some onions and 2 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna grind it together into a paste. Now I'm gonna add the jinten, that's cumin. It's a half a teaspoon. And I'm gonna add tamarind. And tamarind is really sour but also sweet in flavor. I'm gonna add a bit and then mix it. And the sweet ketchup, because we're making a sauce, you need a lot of fluid like this. Ooh, delicious. It's so shiny. Ooh, beautiful. And oil makes it more into a sauce. And this is a great sauce to use over satay. Before I'm gonna add the lemon, I want to taste a bit. The sauce you have to chew on. Really nice. A few drops of lemon, but not too much. Sweet and sour sauce. Beautiful. So that's done. And now for the final sauce. This is going to be a spicy tomato sauce. I'm using a really spicy pepper this time, garlic and onion. There is some vinegar in it and galangal and serai, that's lemongrass, and sweet ketchup, ketchup manis. We have to mix this, grind this into a mush again, into a paste, together with the tomatoes. But first I'm going to start with this, but you see it's difficult to get fine, and when I add the tomatoes immediately it gets too soft. It's difficult to grind it. So start with this. So now I've grind my onions, garlic and chili fine. I'm gonna add the tomatoes. I have fried my tomato mix with onions and garlic. It smells really good. Now I'm gonna do the final part. That is, you're gonna add the vinegar. And this is galangal. We call it Laos. Some water to make it into a sauce. And my sweet ketchup sauce. This is really sweet ketchup. And that will help the spiciness, because it's a pretty spicy sauce, and because of the sweetness it will take the spiciness a bit off. And this sauce is great over fish. Now we're done. We've got 4 beautiful sauces. Let's heat up the barbecue, but first I have to call my food critic. Lulu!
Yeah.
You like to taste?
Yeah.
We got 4 sauces. This one is pretty spicy, so maybe you leave that one. But these are really nice. You like that one? Well, it's salty, right? This is more sweet. Try this one.
Spicy, but really good.
Ah, it's being spicy because of the garlic. And this is ginger.
Yeah, I like that one.
Selamat makan.